Run these commands to disable the apparmor profile for FuserMount 3. After running these two commands, Flatpak installations and updates should work again. This workaround temporarily disables the problematic security profile. Once the official package update arrives on your system, you should re-enable the profile using these commands.